Last lecture, we were left with the following concerns. 1. What harmony does the divine order aim at? 2. Can that harmony offset the moral evil brought on by humans with free will? 3. Is God responsible for the moral evil in the world since he foreknew beings within the divine order he was fashioning would sin? 4. Is this truly the best possible world? I'm not sure if Augustine can address these in the chapters I intend to cover today, but let's see anyway. So we get a little more from Augustine on the harmony of the divine order. Supposedly everything within the divine order, God, angels, man, donkeys, whatever, is ordered in such a way to bring about the perfect being of the universe. The universe could not attain its perfect being if humans were transformed into angels, for that class is limited and we cannot add to its perfection. Further, the perfect being of the universe somehow needs humans with free choice. The universe would be less perfect if entities such as us did not exist. That should make us feel special, I suppose, but don't you wish you could judge for yourself if the order establishes the perfect being of the universe? Maybe we will get our wish one day. What about the concern that sin and unhappiness are built into God's divine order? Augustine would object, saying, humans and their corresponding choice are built into the divine order, but sin and misery are not. Humans choose sin, God does not. So how do our 4 questions stand? We understand verbally, maybe not conceptually, that perfect being of the universe is the aim of the divine order. Can that perfect being offset the moral evil in creation? The perfect being seemed to exist prior to the evil of sin, so sin is not used to justify that order's existence. Perhaps this question is wrongly phrased. Sin is not a means God uses to attain perfect ends. This prompts the question, can the emergence of sin do violence to the perfect order? It seems that the punishment of sin and the elevation of those in another realm might restore any damage done to the perfection of the universe. We saw how Augustine could exonerate God from sin that occurs in the divine order over which he has complete foreknowledge, but we're still left wondering if God could have created the order differently and why this one is a more perfect order. How can Augustine show us the perfection of the universe? Can he? All this raises the question of why God had to create a universe at all. Is God not complete in his perfection? Why must there be a divine order to preside over? Wouldn't the most perfect order have been the one where only God existed? How distinguishable is God from the order he presides over? Does he interpenetrate it? Are we one with him on some level?